Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. Let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you what guys, that this is a toy rifle. See guys, wow, this is nice amazing chill. Wow, nice amazing chill. Wow, nice amazing
Oh
This is
yeah.
a black color, yellow color and combination toy rifle. See guys, this is a marathon and dangerous. This is mean marathon. OMG. And what? This is a toy what? Toy knife. Okay guys, this is a toy rifle knife gun. Okay, see? Wow, this is nice. And I assemble it by this.
Wow.
Muzzle area, the bezel area. See guys, the bezel.
Wow.
And then guys, I assemble by this extend. Okay, this is the properly yellow color extend. See guys, OMG, nice. So guys, I assemble it properly. Are you guys see that? This is nice. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Look like a real gun, real rifle, but this is not a real rifle. This is a toy rifle. And how it work guys? Turn and what? Shoot. Another time. Turn and
Wow.
then guys, I can show you a knife. Dun, 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 dun. This is a knife. This is a what? Pink color and parrot green color combination knife. See? Wow. This is another knife. Wow. This two knife is same to same. Same color, same type, same genish. Okay. Then guys, I can. This is a toy shotgun. Dun, dun, dun. This is a toy shotgun. This is totally black color toy shotgun. Okay. See guys. Wow. This is nice.
Wow.
Then guys, I can show you this. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. This is a toy rifle. Wow. This is black color, red color, black color combination toy. What? Toy rifle. OMG. This is masterpiece. Okay guys. See? But this is not a proper rifle. Okay. I assemble it by this black color muzzle. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So, see this muzzle? The bezel area. OMG. Nice. It has a red color extend. Okay guys. See? Totally red color. I assemble it. So guys, this is the proper toy rifle. Okay guys, did you see this and how it's work?
Wow.
Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye guys.